Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Ledger hardware wallet. First, unbox your new Ledger device and connect it to your computer or smartphone. You'll then download the Ledger Live application, which is essential for managing your assets. Follow the on-screen prompts to initialize your device and set up a strong PIN code. This initial setup is crucial for establishing a secure foundation for your cryptocurrency. Next, you'll generate your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so write it down precisely and store it securely offline. Never share it with anyone, and do not store it digitally. Confirm your recovery phrase on the device to ensure you've recorded it correctly. This step is vital for recovering your funds if your Ledger device is ever lost or damaged. Now you're ready to manage your crypto. Use Ledger Live to install the applications for the cryptocurrencies you wish to hold, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. To receive funds, generate an address in Ledger Live and verify it on your device before sharing. When sending, carefully enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always confirm the transaction details on your Ledger screen before approving it. Beyond basic transactions, Ledger Live offers advanced features like staking and integrating with decentralized finance applications. Remember to regularly update your device's firmware to ensure optimal security and access to new features. Always be vigilant against phishing attempts and only use official Ledger software. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.